What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our Audi S6 rebuild. So we have some good news and some bad news. Good news is that we got the hood, the fender, and the bumper painted. Both fender and hood are installed. And the bad news is we've discovered more issues with the car. Like we mentioned in the previous video, we were having issues with the car not raising properly. So we found out that both of the rear air suspension airbags were destroyed. And that was most likely damaged when the car was being forked at the Copart. Also, we're still having problems with the engine not idling properly. We took it to multiple mechanics and they were not able to help us out. They were only able to help us discover more issues with the car. So stay tuned, see where our plan of attack is and what we end up doing with the car.
Quite soon.
The airbag suspension. So there's the old one. Dang.
It's
so what happened is when they forked the car on the auction, they pierced it. They messed it up. So now it requires new ones. So there's a new one. But yeah, that's the reason why the car was not raising. It was always leaking air. So as you can see, look how low this thing is sitting super low. Got the real mechanic here.
What should we get over here now?
Zip tie just does the tricks, huh?
I'm just supposed to hold this shield in place. That's it.
Cool.
We'll inspect it, tighten it up if anything.
All right.
Cut off the extra.
So it just pops in there, just like that.
Looks straight.
Souvenir.
I mean, I could probably straighten it out. Oh wow, this is. Oh, it has holes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where the air was leaking, huh?
That's not where it's leaking. See underneath. This is the protector.
Oh, I see.
If you go underneath more over there, that's
bigger.
the actual guy.
Yeah, I gotcha. Smashed. All right. So the new puppy's going in. To raise mode?
Huh?
Raise mode? Oh yeah, it's going up. It's fast. Alright guys, so we got the two airbag suspension reinstalled and able to get the suspension to finally raise, but we did notice that the passenger rear was leaking air and we discovered that the airbag was defected, so that would have to be sent back and replaced again. So after replacing those airbags, we decided to take the car for a spin just to test drive it, see how the car runs, and we've discovered that it's running worse. It's not only idling bad, but when you give some gas, it almost feels like it's gonna stall and it shakes a lot. So there's definitely a bunch of issues that need to be still resolved with the engine. Could be a misfire, could be sensors. Honestly, this project is going to cost a lot of money to keep on making guesses and trying to figure out what the issue is. So we're kind of losing hope with it. And just right after this test drive, we discovered another big issue. I discovered that after filling up the engine coolant, it was just leaking crazy, pretty much pouring out of the engine. somewhere deep that we can't even see. So that's going to require taking the car apart again, digging really deep into the engine, which is going to take a lot of time and money. So I don't think it's going to happen. So guys, after taking it to multiple mechanics, trying to figure out all the problems with the car, we decided to take it to the last stop, which would be the Audi dealership. See what they would say about the car, what kind of codes they would read. Got the car on the tow truck for our 5th time, and the Audi dealership spent maybe 4 or 5 hours on the car. Their computer read 46 engine fault codes, and we were told by Audi dealership that this car has too many issues and just not worth repairing it. It's going to cost more money to repair it than to go and buy a new one. We definitely learned a lot from this Audi rebuild, and we figured that it was probably a better idea to buy an A6 rather than an S6, as an S6 is way more complex with a bigger engine and comes with that performance air suspension system that we also had so much problems with. That gunshot sound was actually the airbag exploding when we took the car to the dealership. So that car definitely got a lot of attention when we brought it to the dealership. So for our next rebuild, maybe we'll pick up something more simple, easier to work on, and less expensive, as we don't have as much money to spend on repairs like these. Hope you guys all understand us and respect our decision on taking the car back to the auction and hopefully finding a better, cheaper rebuild. But guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We really truly do appreciate you guys leaving us all the comments, trying to help us out with the rebuild. But as of right now, this car is just not suitable for us, and we're gonna try and pick something up more to our level and our experience. So thanks again guys, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, give us a like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.